Right, I think it's about time we had a little update on my little garden shed here. I can't take any credit for this. I've just got my mates to build it and pay them for it, you know. They've been doing loads of other work on the house as well. Like, you know, they've got the back off there at the minute. But yeah, over there, if the sun's not too bright, you'll be able to see our new shed. I think when we looked at it before, we were up to footings or maybe DPC, I can't remember. But we're getting there now. So there's a window nearly fitted. There's an hole for a door. There's an hole for another door. Some Keith's bits and pieces he's about to start sticking the roof on, but that's where we're at. That's where we're at. Nice, decent size space, but I mean, I know I'm going to fill it. But the good thing is, for the future, we've got space to put another one here. See how that goes, but got to pay for this one first. Yeah. If you want building around the Liverpool area, Keith, Versacon Developments, he's got a good crew behind him, and he's done a fantastic job on this, I reckon. He's doing that as well. We've done away with the bay. It was leaking and collapsing, so we took that much bay off. We're just going to put the window back in flat. We put a new steel lintel in there. That was good fun lifting on it, but that should be back. That should be back together this week. So we go. Old school bike. Let me know what you think. Cheers.